Waiter, good evening, ma'am. Welcome to Greenleaf Restaurant.
Girl Maya, good evening. Thank you. The place looks really nice.
Waiter, I'm glad you like it. Would you like to see the menu?
Girl, yes, please.
Waiter, here you go. Today's special is our grilled chicken burger and fresh lemonade.
Girl, that sounds nice. What else do you have?
Waiter, we also have pizza, pasta, and fried rice.
Girl, okay, I'll take one chicken burger and a glass of lemonade.
Waiter, sure, ma'am. Would you like cheese or extra sauce with your burger?
Girl, yes, please add both.
Waiter, all right. It will take around 10 minutes.
Girl, no problem, I'll wait.
After a few minutes, the waiter brings the food.
Waiter, here's your order. Ma'am, one chicken burger with cheese and extra sauce and one lemonade.
Girl, wow, it looks delicious.
Waiter, thank you. Please enjoy your meal.
Girl, takes a bite. This is really good. Is it made fresh?
Waiter, yes, ma'am. We always prepare everything fresh in our kitchen.
Girl, that's great. I'll definitely come again.
Waiter, thank you, ma'am. We'll be happy to see you again.
Girl, can I get the bill, please?
Waiter, sure, ma'am. Just a moment.
He brings the bill.
Girl, okay, here you go. Keep the change.
Waiter, thank you so much, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Girl, you too. Bye.